Hello, welcome. Today's video is a quick Missha unboxing. I ordered a few things from Missha. They were having, I think they still do, and up to 60% off on their website. And as many of you know, I love Missha skincare products. So I ordered a few things and let me show you what I ordered. Wow, I ordered, this is for a gift. This is the Super Aqua Ultra Hyaluron 3-piece set. These other products are also to give away. This is for a birthday gift for a person, special person to me. This is the Aqua Snail from the Super Aqua line. This is, I think, the moisturizer. This is the cleansing foam, and this is the cream, the Super Aqua Snail cream. They sent me one of these for me to review, and I already did, and I like it. Well, I like it for me, but I like it more, but my daughter like it more than me. So these are the products I order. All these products are to give away for a gift, for like a birthday gift. I'm gonna give these 3 to my daughter. She is going to turn 23 years old tomorrow. So that's why I'm unboxing this right now, because I had to prepare the gift for her. They sent me to try the Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail Cream, this same one. I started using it for probably half of the bottle and then my daughter finished her and she asked me for one, so I gave her this and she really liked it. I had trouble with the fragrance, so that's why I gave it to my daughter and she loves it. She doesn't have any problems with fragrance on her skincare. She's not that sensitive to smell like I am to fragrances. So I bought, since she liked it a lot, I bought the whole kit. I bought the cream for her, the Super Aqua. I bought the, let me see if I can open it so you can see. I don't want to ruin the bottle because this is gonna be a gift. So I'm gonna leave a picture so you can see, because I don't want to turn the box, since this is a gift for her. Oh, I'm not sure if this is the toner. I was reading that it's a toner, but we'll see. This is the cleanser. I don't know. I don't want to break the box. Let me see. I don't want my daughter to think that I'm giving something I already used. So this is the cleanser. It says there is a foaming cleanser from the Super Aqua line. So I'm gonna give her the whole kit and I hope she likes it. She likes the cream, so I hope she will like the cleanser. Now let's see the toner. Oh yes, it is. Oh wow, look at this. It looks so luxurious. So it says moisturizer for ultra moisturized skin. A moisturizer balances and promotes healthy skin. How do you apply this? Oh, after applying a skin treatment, apply 1 or 2 pumps, pat lightly until fully absorbed. So this is not a toner. This is a moisturizer. So I think this is a very light moisturizer. So what I'm going to tell her is to use this in the morning, during the day, because it's lighter, and to use the cream at night, because the cream is more, it's kind of a gel cream, but it's still thicker than the lotion. So this is for, this is the whole kit for my daughter, gift for her 23 birthday. And also I got this Super Aqua Ultra Hyaluron. This is for extra dry skin. This is for another gift that I will give to one of another family member, my sister. And this one has, I'm not gonna open it because it's sealed and this is a gift and I don't want to break the box. It has the toner. I'm gonna leave you a picture for you to see. This is the Super Aqua, but this one, I'm not sure if it has fragrance or not. I ordered it because this one is for extra dry skin and mature. Well, it can be for, this is also for good for mature skin and dry skin, but my daughter like it, so it doesn't matter if your skin is young. If you like it, you can use it. This one is for extra dry skin. It's called Missha Super Aqua Ultra Hyaluron Skincare. My sister has her skin really dry, so he asked me. She didn't ask me to buy anything, so just she did ask me what was good for dry skin, because I think her skin is still a little bit more drier than mine because I'm always putting a lot of things, so I keep it moisturizer, but she never wears skincare, so she's now that she is worried because her skin is too dry, extra dry. She asked me what can she wear or what can she use. So I recommended a few things, but looking at the Missha website, I found this hyaluronic acid Super Aqua Ultra Hyaluron. So this kit has the toner. This one, yes, has the toner, and I think it has the cream and also the lotion. It has the toner, it has the little lotion, and it has the cream, and also it has the little minis. So this is a perfect gift. And what I like about Missha products are that the products are really good, and well, they are excellent, they works good, and also that they have good specials, and they are Korean. I like Korean skincare. So this is what's in this unboxing from Missha. I'm gonna leave you the link of those kits if you want to check them out, because they still have promotions during the month of July. So I ordered a few more things also to give away, because I'm gonna give away to another person. They asked me what can she wear at night. So I ordered something for her, and I also ordered a few things that I will show you when that box comes. So that's it for this video. Bye, see you next time.